This isn't just another makeup tutorial, it's a full-on glow-up routine. I call this my hot girl look. It's one of my absolute favorite looks to wear when I want to feel confident, glowing and put together. We are doing skincare, body and hair too. This is a full-on transformation and I'm walking you through every step. I'm also sharing all the little tips I wish someone told me earlier. Let's start with skincare because we need a good base for this look. First, I'm applying a serum that helps minimize pores. It's perfect for combination skins. Then I go with my face roller. This step is a little self-care moment. It boosts circulation, helps reduce puffiness and adds a natural glow. Don't forget your neck, it's just as important. You can also use the roller before going to bed. This can help you relax and promote better sleep. Now for moisturizer. The longer you'll be wearing makeup, the more important a hydrating base becomes. Apply your moisturizer upward to lift the skin and stimulate circulation. Eye cream is next. I'm using a brightening one from Sephora. The under eye area is super delicate, so never leave it dry. I even apply a little bit on the eyelids for hydration and smoothness. Then I apply a lip mask. I usually wear this overnight, but on glam days I put it on before I start my makeup, so it absorbs while I'm getting ready. Let's continue with the body prep. In winter here in Munich I lose my tan and my glow, so I use this natural bronzer from Garnier. It doesn't look orange and basically just gives a nice color to your skin. I spray it right after the shower when my skin is completely dry. I haven't applied any body lotion. Let's continue with makeup. Starting with primer, this one is great for blurring pores. Apply it to the areas where you get oily and gently blend it in. Now foundation. I'm mixing two, the airbrush Flawless Foundation for coverage and the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint, which is more lightweight. Mixing formulas lets you customize your base and avoid the cakey look. And now, blend, 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 we want a seamless finish. Let's contour. I'm using the Sephora stick to define my cheekbones, jawline and forehead. Contour brings structure and warmth to the face, especially after having applied a high coverage foundation. It makes all the difference, especially in photos. Eyebrows. I brush them through, fill them in with the MAC eyeshadow and then set them with the Sephora brow wax. Brows frame your entire face, even a little shaping can totally elevate your look. For that sharp cat eye I'm using tape, it's a game changer. Apply it at an upward angle for that lifted eye effect. I use concealer as an eyeshadow base so everything stays put all day. Then, using a black matte eyeshadow, I sketch out my eyeliner shape before going in with liquid liner. Why are we doing this? This makes your eyes appear larger. By using the tape, it is way easier to fix any mistakes. Now applying the liquid eyeliner on top of the eyeshadow for a precise line. Make sure both sides have the same length. We peel off the tape. Concealer time. I layer 2 shades of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to correct and conceal. And add Fenty Beauty's concealer for a lifted effect. I highlight between the brows, on the nose bridge and on the chin. Set everything with a spray. This step locks in your base. Let it dry fully before the next layer. Now it's time for powder bronzer. I'm using NARS to sculpt. I'm using this flat brush for a precise contour. Then I use my favorite bronzer from Tilbury. Layering bronzers gives dimension without looking muddy. Set your under eyes with translucent powder. This keeps your concealer crease-free. And apply it on all the other areas where you applied concealer. Powder foundation helps create that flawless filtered finish which we are looking for in this look. The Chocolate Soleil from Too Faced is perfect to contour your nose. Apply baking powder. I'm using the one from Huda Beauty underneath your bronzer to sharpen the contour. Apply bronzer in your crease to open up the eyes. Time for blush, we are layering. Start with Huda Beauty's Glowish Blush, Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand, and finish with the Rare Beauty Powder Blush in the color Joy. Layering blushes makes it look more natural and radiant. No falsies today, just 3 mascaras. Don't let your lashes dry between coats, that's the secret to mega length and volume. I love mixing up the mascaras, and this time I'm using 2 from Essence and 1 from Charlotte Tilbury. MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter on the cheekbones and inner corners of the eyes for that dreamy glow. Wipe off the lip mask and dab your makeup sponge on your lips. Then I use the Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Shaper in the color Puffy Nude and the Lip Plumper Gloss from Too Faced as well. Only apply those products to the lips, never to the skin, otherwise it might irritate. There's a tickling and the lips look so voluminous after a few minutes already. Finally, set everything again with a translucent powder. Long-lasting glam guaranteed. For hair, I blow dry the roots with the Dyson Airwrap. My hair is already wavy, so this gives it that lifted, voluminous finish. I start blow drying the front part of my hair with the round brush. Then I continue blow drying the roots with that same round brush. For the final touch, body luminizer on my collarbones, shoulders and arms. Finish it off with your favorite jewelry and confidence. And that's the full hot girl look, from skincare to hair to the final glow. Thank you so much for watching and getting ready with me. I hope you're feeling as confident and radiant as I do when I wear this look. I'd love to hear from you. What's one step in your routine that makes you feel instantly more confident?